So tonight I completed the clock, and this is a pendulum clock. I'll tell you, it was great to build. It was a nice kit. It went together semi-easily. Had to make a few modifications, but it does work, and I'm quite amazed. So there you have it. It took me, I could have probably finished it in 2 nights, but it took me about a week, 5 days. And I'm just going to let it run for a while. I'm not going to worry about setting the time right now. With all the gears all moving, and this is the spring to wind it up. These move slower because this is the hour hand. Does the light help or hurt? Let's see. I saw people building them and they couldn't get the thing to run. It would run for a couple of minutes and stop, and so far this thing has been running for a while. At least 20 minutes. It doesn't look like it's having any problem. Anyway, hope everybody had a good New Year. And we'll catch you later. I'm sure you're all enjoying listening to this thing click. I'm just, it's gratifying to see it working. All right, later.